harvester is out of this world. Combine harvesters are important machines that help farmers feed the world. They reduce the manpower needed for harvesting and make it much more efficient, cheaper, and faster too. There are hundreds of combine harvesters to choose from this year. In this video, we'll walk you through the top 11 biggest combine harvesters in the world, currently based mainly on the grain tank capacity, engine power, and transfer capacity for the comparison. Komiya C242 Roto. The Komiya C242 Roto, made in Finland, is ranked 11th on our list today. These enormous combine harvesters are part of the Komiya line from Sampo Rosenloo, a Finnish producer of agricultural equipment. Similar to certain Claas combines, the Komiya 24 utilizes a hybrid threshing mechanism that combines two rotors and a threshing drum. AGCO Power's 6-cylinder engine produces 300 horsepower. It has a 10,000-liter grain tank, or 2,642 gallons, 100 liters per second unloading speed, 3,800 rotations per minute straw cutter, 2 pieces of separation rotaries, and a 6 to 9 meter cutting header width. If you are interested in purchasing one of these, then prepare to part with a pocket change over $200,000 only. Dutzfar C9000 306 TS. Next up at number 10 is the C9000 306 TS, which is also the biggest combine available from German manufacturer Dutzfar. Dutzfar does not produce combines with a rotating threshing system. A Mercedes-Benz engine with 381 horsepower powers the C9000 306 model. The volume of the grain hopper is 10,500 liters, or around 2,774 gallons, and cutting header width is 7.2 meters, and unloading speed of 120 liters per second. You can have the Dutzfar C9000 306 with wheels, or if needed, with tracks. Torum 785. Let's also move to Russia. At number 9 is Torum 785 combine harvester from Rosselmash Company, based in Russia. Torum 785 is designed for harvesting all traditional grain crops, such as spiked cereals, legumes, oil crops, cereal and arable crops. It is an efficient machine with an output of up to 45 tons of grain crops per hour, capable of cutting crops in an area of up to 2,000 hectares per season. It is powered by a 6-cylinder Cummins engine, generating a maximum of 520 horsepower. Other main features include a grain tank capacity of 12,300 liters, which is approximately 324 gallons, unladen weight of 17 tons, and cutting header width of 7 to 9 meters. Number 8. AGCO Gleaner S98. In Italy and the USA, the American company AGCO constructs ideal combines for the Fendt and Massey Ferguson brands. However, Gleaner is a different brand of combine harvester that is not well recognized in Europe. The Gleaner S89 is the largest model in the classic Gleaner series. The design of the device is unique. Gleaner threshers use a rotor that is positioned transversely rather than in the direction of motion. However, this has a drawback. The combine's width prevents it from being used on European highways. The S9 series is the culmination of a century of unique design and performance. The Gleaner combine design is fundamentally different, offering a level of harvesting performance unmatched by other combines. Building off the strongest attributes of earlier models, the S9 series adds even more harvesting performance, new technologies, increased comfort, and ultimate convenience. An AGCO Power engine with 478 horsepower powers the Gleaner S89. The volume of the grain hopper is 13,700 liters, or 3,619 gallons. It also has an unload speed of 141 liters per second. The price starts at around $400,000. Number 7. New Holland CR 10.90. The New Holland business holds the world record for harvesting more than 797 tons, or 1,757,084 pounds, of wheat in 8 hours, or 99 tons per hour, with its top model, the CR 10.90, set in 2014. And according to the manufacturer, when compared to competitive combines in independent tests, CR combines use less fuel, lose less grain and harvest more quickly and efficiently to increase their profitability. The two rotors of the CR 10.90 type each have a 56 centimeters threshing diameter. The CR combines grain hopper can hold 14,500 liters, or 3,830 gallons. There are 700 horsepower available from the engine of the combine. Other features include weight of 24.6 tons, 2,100 rotations per minute, cutting header width of 12.5 meters, and Tier 4B emission level. The CR 10.90 is sold by New Holland for $893,271 US, or 896,000 euros on the US market. Case IH Axial Flow 9250. The sixth combine on our list today is the Case IH Axial Flow 9250. The Case IH was among the first manufacturers in Germany to introduce the rotary threshing system. Unlike the combines from sister company New Holland, the Case IH AF 9250 has a single large 76 centimeter rotor. The Case IH 9240 combine harvester makes a grand statement as the most powerful model produced by the brand up to this point. It also features axial flow single rotor technology, which ensures careful grain handling and exceptional grain quality. The combine is designed and built in Nebraska, USA, and has a 16-liter, 16-cylinder FPT engine that produces 625 horsepower. It also has a collapsible grain hopper that holds roughly 14,500 liters with unloading rate of 4.5 bushels per second. The machine is priced at 703,459 euros, or 701,316 US dollars for its base model. John Deere X9 1100. The John Deere X9 1100 comes in at the 5th position and takes John Deere harvesting performance to the next level. Its aim is to make it easier for large-scale farming enterprises to harvest more tons per hour and hectares per day. It achieves this by means of a 45-foot header and a harvesting rate of 100 tons per hour. This rate is accomplished while maintaining less than 1% grain loss. This is the largest combine ever built by John Deere, and the combination achieved superlatives in other respects as well: the widest fingerboard, the highest yield, and the smartest technology. Compared to the John Deere S-Series, the X9 has two rotors. It also features a 700 horsepower engine, grain tank capacity of 16,200 liters, or 4,279 gallons, and unload rate of 186 liters per second, or 5.3 bushels per second. Fendt Ideal 10T. The Fendt Ideal 10T is the next machine on our list. It is a strong combine harvester that stands out mainly for its superb threshing mechanism, which allows it to harvest in any weather. The farm machine has a 16.2-liter man engine that can provide up to 790 horsepower. With the Fendt Ideal 10, Fendt introduces the first standard combine in Europe to be operated entirely without a steering wheel. With 4 distinct portions and a concave surface up to 4.54 square meters, the cleaning technique is incredibly effective. It features a grain bin capacity of 17,100 liters, or 4,517 gallons, cutting platform width of 10.7 meters and 26807 tons. Claas Lexion 8900. At number 3 is Claas Lexion 8900. In Germany, Claas dominates the market for agricultural combines. With 2 separator rotors and a big threshing drum, Lexion is almost the only brand in the class of large threshers that uses hybrid technology for its threshing system. The largest variant, the Claas Lexion 8900, has an 18-0-liter or 47,550-gallon grain hopper. The combined 16-liter, 6-cylinder man engine produces 790 horsepower. The largest model, weighing more than 22 tons or 44,000 pounds empty, always travels on TerraTrack tracks on European roadways. In Germany, Claas dominates the agricultural sector. With a length of more than 11 meters, Lection's Agricultural Combine also owns the record for having the longest transfer pipe available. The Claas Lection 8900 model with standard features has a list price of $809,940, which is approximately 764 euros. Tribine T1000. In addition to being the second biggest combine harvester in the world, as per our list today, the Tribine T1000 is also a highly unique harvester. The experts at American firm Tribine created a combine harvester with a rotor articulated joint and rear steering wheels in place of the conventional design. The car's dual 650 horsepower Cummins engines, one at the front and one at the back, are another attractive feature. With a capacity of 35,200 liters or 9,298 gallons, the largest grain hopper can discharge at a pace of about 300 liters or 79 gallons per second, which has never been achieved before. With a mass of 25 tons, the Tribine T1000 will never be seen on European fields because its transit width of 4.44 meters makes it too large for the majority of EU roadways. Tribine T1000 costs approximately $550,000. Nexet Combine. At number 1 we have this revolutionary machine, known as the Nexet Combine, which stands for Next Generation Agricultural Technology, which is for sure out of this world. Nexet is not any usual agricultural machinery, but a complete holistic crop production system. It is specially designed with the needs of the farmers in mind to help them increase their efficiency, productivity, and profitability while reducing carbon dioxide emissions and protecting the environment. This autonomous all-in-one machine can be used for tillage, planting, spraying, and harvesting using different modular attachments. According to the company, the modules can be swapped by one person within 10 minutes. At present, power is supplied by 2 independent diesel engines, each offering an output of 550 horsepower totaling to 11,000 horsepower, with generators enabling grain throughputs of 1,930 bushels to 2,975 bushels per acre. However, Nexet says the vehicle has been prepared to be powered by green hydrogen fuel cells. Other main features include a grain tank capacity of up to 35,300 liters and unloading capacity of 600 liters per second. The price starts at a pocket change of around $2 million only. Thanks for watching the video. Let us know in the comment section below what you think about the video.